Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated events of the year, the Super Bowl 2025, and we'll show you exactly how to catch all the action right from your FireStick. Let's jump right in. Step 1, prepare your FireStick. First things first, make sure your FireStick is set up and connected to your TV. If you haven't already, plug it into an HDMI port and power it up. Step, navigate to the home screen. Once your FireStick is on, grab your remote and navigate to the home screen. Step 3, open the Amazon App Store. Next, scroll over to the Apps section and open the Amazon App Store. Step 4, search for the app. In the search bar, type in the app you'll be using to watch the Super Bowl. This could be the official network app or a streaming service that broadcasts the game. Step 5, download and install. Once you've found the app, select it and click on Download to install it on your FireStick. Step 6, sign in if necessary. If the app requires it, sign in with your account credentials. This might be your cable provider login or a streaming service subscription. Step 7, access live stream. Once you're signed in, find the live stream section within the app. This is where the Super Bowl action will be happening. Step 8, enjoy the game. That's it. Sit back, relax, and enjoy watching the Super Bowl 2025 live from your FireStick. Conclusion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you next time.